Another day, another pair of Yeezys, and well, what do you know, we got another one with an orange midsole. This one definitely seems to have a lot of people interested in it, and I can definitely see why. So let's jump straight into it. Let's check out the new pair of Yeezys, and of course it is the Yeezy 700 Enflame Amber. We got the Yeezy 700 box, all over cardboard, 700 on the top, boost on the side, size tag. Take a quick look. As you can see, I got a end clothing label because that's where I got this pair of shoes. But I also got a pair from Adidas, and I've got something really confusing and interesting to tell you guys in just a minute. But let me pull these out and let me show you today's pair of sneakers. And of course, it is, wow, the Yeezy 700 Enflame Amber. So back in January, we had the release, or the very limited release, of the Yeezy 700 Sun. These became a lot more popular than I originally thought they would, and of course because they were very limited, the price skyrocketed up, and these are actually pretty expensive on the secondary market. Very bright, very colorful, and I thought that people weren't really gonna feel it, or at least it was gonna be a little bit more polarizing, just because we didn't really see any super colorful Yeezy 700s before this one. And now we've got the release of the Yeezy 700 Enflame Amber. And now this one does look very, very similar. However, there is some key differences, and today we're gonna figure out which one's my favorite. So the Yeezy 700 Enflame Amber released on Friday the 12th of June, and the retail price was a little bit confusing. So like I said in the beginning of the video, I got this pair from End Clothing, which is just a regular retailer. However, I also got a pair from the Adidas app. Now, the Adidas app was the regular £210 here in the UK. However, all of the other retailers were selling their pairs for £220. I have no idea why that is, and I also believe that Adidas had them up for $220, however they corrected it, but I guess none of the retailers corrected it because they charged me £220. However, if you're out in the US, these go for $240. And I don't believe that you guys had any price weirdness, or at least if you did, let me know down in the comments. So here in the UK, if you got these from the Adidas app, you already saved yourself a little bit of money. And also, if you missed out on the Suns and you're looking at this pair, well, you're also going to save yourself quite a bit of money. Well, let's take a look, because there are actually a lot of differences, and you know what? I might even like this colorway a little bit more. So the orange midsole, it is back. It is on another pair of Yeezys this year in 2021. It seems to be a big trend. I mean, it started with the Yeezy 700 Suns, then we got the bright blues, then we got the Enflame 500s, and now we got the Enflame Amber 700 as well. All feature a bright orange midsole. Oh, not to mention we're also getting all over bright orange slides on Monday. So I've told you guys how much I really like this 700 Sun colorway. Yes, it is very bright, very colorful. So does this one match up? Does this one hold up to this very unique colorway? You know what, guys? I gotta say, this Enflame Amber colorway is seriously nice. If some of you liked the 700 Suns, however, were maybe a little bit apprehensive to wear such a colorful shoe, well, I think this one kind of bridges the gap pretty perfectly. So the upper on here, the main kind of color that you're going to find on the top of this pair of shoes is kind of a yellow color. However, it is very desaturated and very gray. So it's almost like a grayish tone with a little bit of yellow peeking through. I mean, you would hardly even call that yellow. Like again, if I put this side by side with the Suns, there is a pretty big difference. Also get that same color on the toe box for that kind of fang style leather piece that goes over there. Now, something that was quite cool about the Suns was they had the exact same color blocking on that toe box as the Yeezy 700 Wave Runners. And that's something they changed up with this Enflame Amber pair. You can see they switched out that kind of teal green color for a bit more of a burgundy or brown color on the Enflame Amber. However, the little blue hit on the top of the shoe looks really, really cool. It's like the one random bit of blue on the entire pair of shoes. It doesn't necessarily go, but I think it looks super cool. Of course, you get the same black accents on the upper coming in, the really nice premium suede material. You'll find it all over the upper as well as on the midsole and of course the outsole. And again, with a 700 V1, you know what you're getting. You're getting very, very premium materials, leather around the eye stays. You got suede all over the place, some really nice feeling mesh material. And again, when I made my Yeezy 700 MNVN review, a lot of people were saying, listen, I don't like this. I don't like the upper materials. I like the premiumness that comes with a Yeezy 700, and obviously it just shows how people do actually appreciate premium or quality feeling sneakers. And of course, when it comes to comfort and sizing for the Yeezy 700s, I think that these are incredibly comfortable sneakers. You get full length boost, they feel great on foot. Personally, I go true to size. That seems to fit me just fine. All in all, I've really liked what Yeezy brand has done with not only the 700, but also the 500 and other sneaker models this year. They're definitely getting more experimental. They're definitely getting a little bit more risky with the colorways, playing around with it a little bit more, and I'm definitely here for the ride. So I'm a huge fan of this colorway, definitely one to look out for. I don't believe the price tag is too bad in terms of the secondary market right now, so if this is a pair of shoes that you missed out on, even though it was a relatively high stock pair of shoes, I definitely say that this is a dope pair of shoes to grab for the summertime. But either way, that pretty much wraps it up for the Yeezy 700 Enflame Amber. Let me know what you guys think of this colorway down in the comment section. Which one are you picking? You taking the Ambers or are you taking the colorful Suns? Let me know down in the comment section. Of course, thank you so much for coming through, hanging out for yet again another video. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one, but until then.